Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying physical and software basics. Open the case only if you are comfortable. Check that the front panel audio cable is properly seated on the motherboard header. Once done, plug a known good headset into the front jack so you isolate hardware versus software. Next, in Windows 10, go to Settings System Sound and choose the correct output device. Make sure volume and app-level volumes are not muted. This quick triage saves time and directs the next steps. Now focus on drivers and the audio control software. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then update or uninstall and reinstall the Realtek or Intel HD audio driver. Reboot to let Windows redetect hardware. Next, open any OEM audio control panel and look for jack detection, multi-streaming, or front panel settings. Toggle them to force detection. If your driver offers a front jack detection switch, try disabling and re-enabling it. These actions resolve most software layer misrouting and detection issues. Finish with advanced checks and a recovery option. Run the Windows Troubleshooter for recording and playing audio. Follow recommended fixes. If software still fails, power down and inspect the front panel header wiring for misaligned pins or damaged cables. If you can, swap the front and rear panel connectors to confirm the port hardware. If the jack remains dead, use a USB sound adapter as a reliable temporary or permanent workaround. If problems persist, one key tip: try the front jack with another OS or live USB to separate driver from hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.